Hello, this is Paul Milligan. I'm the editor of Innovate EMEA magazine. I'm here today to talk to Luke Jenks from Meyer Sound about the US debut of the Leopard system. Luke, tell us, I believe Leopard is making its US debut here at InfoComm 2015.
That's right.
Tell us a bit about the system and what you're going to be doing with it at the show.
Well, we're really excited. You know, InfoComm 2015 is a really huge show for us. This is the trade show US debut of the Leopard system, and we're doing some pretty unique things. We've got it not only here, as you can see, we're in our demo room here. We've also got a big ballroom that we've rented here, the Valencia ballroom, right in the same facility, where we've also got a Leopard system. And what's really unique about what we're doing is all of the demonstrations with Leopard at this show, none of them are using any equalization or external processing. The stack that we're standing in front of here, just to kind of make the point, is just using a single signal cable coming into the first Leopard and then looping through the rest of the system. So with all of the systems that we're doing on the show this year, we haven't spent a lot of time or any time tuning them. There's been no special EQ. We want, when people come to the show, to hear what this really sounds like right out of the box. And we think that that's a really unique demo experience for folks. We're doing a lot of private demos here, but we're also doing public demos Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 3 and 4 o'clock. So yeah, it's kind of as cards on the table as we can get, you know?
I mean, why do you feel it's important to take that kind of out-of-the-box approach rather than, like you said, spending hours or days setting the system up?
You know, well, Meyer Sound's always been, we take audio very seriously, and we have a long history of making analyzers like SIM, and of course we take the installation of speakers and the way that speakers work in a space very seriously. But at the same time, when you spend a lot of your time talking about just those things, it makes it difficult for people to understand what product you've made. If all you're talking about is the combination of rooms and systems and analysis, sometimes you lose the fact that there's a lot of engineering and work that's gone into this system. That, you know, new technology is fine, but an advance in technology is something that makes your life easier. That makes somehow either the quality of the sound better, or for the people that are working with the system, it makes their work faster or easier. And we really need to show that to people, that these are self-powered systems. And if a self-powered system isn't more simple than an externally powered system, we haven't done our jobs well. And so we feel that this is the best way, we call it the native setup of the system, to really put our work and our engineering on the front end. And then when we show it to people, instead of talking so much, like I'm doing right now, let them listen to the system without any coloration, sometimes when you're listening to somebody's sound system or you're at a demo, you're just as much listening to how good the technician or the engineer was who applied it as to the system itself.
So is this why you've got a demo room and the Valencia ballroom?
That's right.
Because
That's right.
You feel it's two different examples of what it can do?
Yeah, we're able to show, and here we're just showing this little small stack of 3 over 1 900. And in the Valencia room, we've got much more space. So we've got 2 main arrays, we've got subs in the air, we've also got ground stacks that you can listen to. So really, just visiting us at this show, you can see Leopard in 3 distinctly different setups, all without any equalization or processing or setup to adhere to that, and judge for yourself and how well that works. We believe that we've come up with a system that in any standard array, from 3 boxes up to 16 boxes or more, if you just plug it in, it's going to sound really, really, really good. And we're excited to show that to people, because that's right now, whenever you talk about things like that, people expect some fancy bit of technology to follow it.
Yeah.
You know, and of course this is a self-powered speaker, it's an incredible digital amplifier, all of those things. Yeah. But to find an alignment that works for all of these things is also something you have to hear, not talk about, you know. And so it's not about this time that we want to bore people with open-ended digital amplifiers and what that means and all those things. It's very cool, but this is all about results, and we need to focus as a company. We're a result-driven company. And the more that we talk about specific little bits of engineering inside things, the more we lose track of that bigger picture, is that we're after a result. And that's what we want to show here.
So you think you can show the results that the Leopard provides with a more simplistic approach?
Absolutely.
Fair to say?
Absolutely. Well, the people we work with and all of our customers and clients, they're professionals. They're brilliant people. And if we can just show them the tool, they're going to end up doing incredible things with it. Yeah. It's not for us to tell them the incredible things to go and do. They're the professionals, you know? And so we need to get out of our own way a little bit, and we're really, really proud of what we've done here. I mean, we feel we've made the UPA of line arrays, and we're really excited about that, and excited to finally shut up and show people, you know?